Hello guys, I am Ankit. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Set mismatch. So you have a set of integers which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n. Unfortunately, due to some error, one of the numbers in set got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of one of the numbers and loss of another number. So you are given integer array representing the data status of this set after the error, and find the number that occurs twice and the number that is missing and return them in the form of an array. So they have a set. In that set, it contains 1 to n numbers. But what happens is one of the numbers get duplicated, so that there will be a missing of another number. So if you see the next in this set, actually what that told is the set is been represented as given as array, the data status. So in this array, if you see 1 2 2 4, so 2 is duplicated, and from which 3 is being not present in the array. So that's why we have to return first number that is being duplicated, and the second one should be the missing number from the array. So this is the problem. So what is the approach to solve the problem? So normal approach could be brute force one. So let's just take 1 2 2 4. Okay, so if you have an array, any array like this, just sort the array. Okay, sort the array. So after sorting the array, you will have the elements like this. In this case, it's already been sorted, so you will have the elements 1 to 2 4. Now we are having this, so you start from here. Okay, so start I equal to 1 to the largest number, ending number in the set n. So in case if array of I is not equal to I, that means that particular number is being not present in the set and some other number is being repeated. So here 1 is equal to 1, so it won't be. 2 is equal to 2, but 2 is not equal to 3 in this case. I will be 3, third iteration, right? So if we start from 0 to n, then I plus 1 we have taken, because 0th index, first index, second index as well. This is at the second index, but we should, the number at this position should be 3. So 3 not equal to 2 we get here, because 2 is present. So in this case we get to know that 3 is being missing from the array. And to check for a duplicate number, we can have other array and keep storing the elements, once occurring, again once occurring, twice occurring. So once you get any element that is being twice occurred in the array, you can just return it. This is the normal approach. But what is a better approach, optimal approach we have for this problem? So what we can do is, so instead of iterating over all the elements twice or thrice, we'll have a set. Okay, let's start here. Check whether 1 is present in set. If 1 is not present in set, just insert 1. But before doing this, what we can do is, okay, we know that sum of natural numbers. What is that? If we have 1 to n numbers, sum of natural numbers from 1 to n will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So same thing will be applying here. First we'll calculate the sum of natural numbers, whatever n we have, n into n plus 1 by 2 will calculate. Once you get this sum, this is the actual sum, expected sum. But you get some other sum, right? So that will initialize to 0 now initially. So here if you say 1 plus 2 plus, it should be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 4 into 3 by 2. So that will be 6. 6 should be the sum. Not 4. 4 into 5 by 2, because n into n plus 1 by 2. So 4, 10 will be the sum. So 10 is the expected sum we have. 10 will be the expected sum. But if you add the numbers from this, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4, how much are we getting? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 is missing from that. And whatever duplicate element we get, for that if we add 1, that will be the missing number from the R. That is how we calculate. So how do we get this duplicate element? Let's look at that, and how do we get this missing number. So initially we find the n into n plus 1 by 2 total sum. Next you iterate over the array. So 1, 2, 2, 4. Now create a set. So you have expected sum. How much is it? 10. Okay, you create a set. So first check whether one is present in set. If it is not present, just insert one into the set. And we'll have another variable called sum. So sum will be plus equals to array of I. So sum will become 1 now. Next move here, again check whether 2 is present in set. No, it is not present. Insert that. Sum will be 1 plus 2, that will be 3 now. Okay. Again, whether 2 is present in set. Yes, this is present in set. Once you find a 2 in set, this is the duplicate number which is present. So return that. If you have an array of size 2, so array of 0 will be this, because first we need to return the duplicate number, then return the missing number. So once you get this, next go on 4. 4 is present in set? No, it's not present. So add 4. So it will be 4, 7. Yeah. So now you got the answer as 7. So what is the sum? Expected sum was 10. You got the answer as 7. So difference between these two is 3. And 3 is the missing number from the set. So once you get this duplicate, don't add that to the sum. If you add it, then as I said, the duplicate element plus whatever expected sum minus sum we have. Duplicate element plus expected sum minus sum. So if you add 2, 7, 8, 9, it will be. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. 10 minus 9 will be 1. So 10 minus 9 will be 1. Plus duplicate element will be 2. That will give you answer as 3. Instead, we'll not add the duplicate element to the sum. Finally, you get the answer as 7 here. So 10 minus 7 will be 3. 3 is the missing number in the array. So this is the best approach to solve the problem. So let's implement the logic. So as I said, first we need to have the n. How do we calculate n? Do we need to run an iteration loop to find the sum of all the numbers? No. Since we know numbers are from 1 to n, the length of the array will be n. That itself will be the n. So let n will be equal to size. So now expected sum equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, and int sum initialized to 0 initially, and we need to have an unordered set or ordered set also. Okay, only of type integer. Let's name it as scene. So now for each number in nums, we have to check whether that is present in set or not. So if scene dot count of num, if that is present in set, then what it should be, that will be the duplicate element, right? So when you encounter these two, it's already present in set before these two. So that is the duplicate element. So we'll create a array result of size 2, everything initialized to 0, and let's name it this as actual sum. Okay, so in this case result of 0 will be equal to the number. What if the element is not present in sum? Then it should be added to the actual sum plus equals to num, and also we have to add that particular element to the set. So scene dot insert the, so yes. So at last, how do you get the duplicate element? So that is nothing but result of 1. I mean missing number from the array, that is nothing but expected sum minus actual sum, and return result. We shall run this and check. This we see. Okay, I made a mistake again here. Yes, it's been passed. So We will see the Java logic also. It's exactly same. Only thing is syntax we define the set is different here and the array also. Everything else is same. So we shall submit this also. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.